Coffee espresso machine with grinder. Espresso maker. Stainless steel with milk frother. Cappuccino machine. Semi-automatic espresso machine. Product dimensions: 15.28 inch D x 16.26 W x 14.49 H. Special feature: integrated coffee grinder, app-controlled, milk frother. Coffee maker type: espresso machine. Capacity: 8.82 ounces. Material: stainless steel. Item weight: 23.7 pounds. Human interface input, dial. More details. Excellent grinding effect. 250G capacity conical burr grinder with low grinding noise. 15 grinding strength levels of this espresso machine with grinder, with just one press. You can get the coffee you want by this espresso coffee maker. Precise PID temperature control. Precise PID temperature control of the espresso coffee maker detects and minimizes any temperature fluctuation during extraction, ensuring the temperature is at its optimum range. Make dense microfoams, 360 degrees rotatable steam. One of the coffee espresso machine produces powerful stable steam to fully integrate milk and air to make dense microfoams. Thus you can taste the silky and velvety taste of real microfoam milk and create latte art. Strong pressure. The coffee and espresso machine combo features low pressure pre-infusion and 9 bar extraction pressure, releases espresso's amber cream. Pressure dial of the coffee espresso maker can clearly display real-time brewing pressure. Easy to clean. When the number of brewed cups reaches the set value, the descaling LED light of the espresso machine with milk frother flashes to remind descaling. Hand-free self-cleaning of it can thoroughly clean the extraction and milk system.